How to join Wayfair affiliate program. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can join Wayfair affiliate program. The first step is to open your web browser and in the search box type Wayfair affiliate program and click enter. And so you'll be brought to the page where you would see a number of blog posts where you can see affiliate program about Wayfair, partner with us, Wayfair affiliate program, etc. Ensure you select the first one. And then after selecting it, you'll be brought to the affiliate programs page. So on this page, you can see our retail channel. You can read more about it so you can know how it works. Then you can see affiliate program. You can see the different categories. All right, you can see sell on Wayfair, you can see advertise with us, you can see Wayfair professional. So which one would you like to go for? So since you are trying to work on the affiliate program, so just click on learn more, and then you'll be taken to the publisher sign up page. On this page, you can see a write-up about the Place program by the left side of the screen. So to sign up, move to the left side here, and then you can see the write-up or the statement join for free. Let's start by confirming your main contact email address. So entering the language that you understand best, you can see a number of languages here. Entering the state you're located, your email, your password, your confirmed password, verify email. And then once an account has been created, you'll be taken to the affiliate programs page. And from here, you would learn on how you can become an affiliate and you'll be able to benefit from Wayfair. So here is how you can sign up to be, this is how you can join Wayfair affiliate program. So go ahead and make that choice today. Thank you and have a good day.